And those, I guess I think of those when I talk to customers as almost the intangibles that, there's these hard cost savings, right, of reducing time and reducing errors, right, associated with manual entry. We put in integration in place. But you're talking a lot about those intangibles that I think should be folks should be paying attention to, because you're increasing your partnership with your carriers. They love doing business with you because you're giving them good data all the time in a timely manner. You're also increasing employee satisfaction, right? Think about it. You've worked that side of the fence, right? I don't want to go into work and I don't want to type things in 100 times a day or 1,000 times a day into all these fields. If I had integration, a lot of companies see it as an investment in the tools for their employees. You work with any company out there, and they invest in their employees. They give them tools to be successful. They give them tools to do their job better. Shippers should do the same thing. They should really empower their employees to be able to do their job successfully and reduce those errors, because it does impact the bottom line.